Breaking news, Liverpool forward Diogo Jota has died following a car crash in Spain at the age of 28. The Portuguese media have reported. Jota had reportedly been traveling in a car with his brother Andre, who is also a 26-year-old footballer. When the vehicle went off-road, the incident occurred on the A52 in the province of Zamora. The tragic news comes just 2 weeks after Jota married his long-term girlfriend, Ruth Cardoso, in Porto. Oh God, this is not a good news to all footballers in the world, especially to all the fans of Liverpool and all Liverpool teammates. Rest in peace, Diogo Jota, till we meet again.